So let's look at wanna with a and a noun. This looks very simple, and it's a very simple mistake for people to make, but I see it a lot with students. So let's have a look at what I'm talking about with a and a noun. If we see here the articles in English. Now, I don't like a lot of terminology, but I mean exactly the words a or the. Now, some languages have articles, other languages do not have articles. But the basic difference of we need a car and we need the car is about specific. We need a car is not specific. In general, we don't know what kind of car, where, when, nothing. We need a car in general. But when we say we need the car, it's about when we are talking about specific example, that your car, or we need the car, very specific. We know what kind, we know where, it's very specific. This is the basic difference if you do not have articles in your language. Now, some languages have the same word for the number one as a or an. So it's to be careful with this, that I need a new phone is not the same as I need one new phone. Okay? The basic difference here is that one is only for counting, about how many. Specifically, 1, 2, 3, I need one new phone. But if you're talking in general, you say a new phone. So what I mean about a plus a noun is at the moment I have I want a coffee. This want a is wanna. I want a coffee. Okay? Now, let's be careful. If we have the noun starting with a vowel, like apple, A-P-P, apple, is an apple. So to say I want an apple, we can't say I want an apple. I want an apple. Okay, so wanna is want a, not want an, but wanna. And another one is about some coffee, this general quantity. We don't know how, just a little, some. But with wanna, we don't use some. I want some coffee. It's not possible to say, do you wanna some coffee? Or I wanna some coffee. I want some coffee. This is the basic difference. So, very simple. Want a, wanna. So let's practice. I want a really fun life. Simple. I want a really fun life. It's true for me. Do you want a really fun life? Do you want a cup of coffee? Yes, yes please. Do you want a cup of coffee? Do you want a cup of coffee? Now the cup of will become cuppa. Sorry. Do you want a cup of coffee? Not always cup of coffee, but cup of coffee. Do you want a cup of coffee? Cup of coffee? Ask them if they want a slice of pizza. Ask them if they want a slice of pizza. So slice of, what happens to the of? Ask them if they want a slice of pizza. Ask them if they want a slice of pizza. They want a slice of pizza. They want a better plan for the business. They want a better plan for the business. They want a better plan. So the for is the f. They want a better plan for the business. They want a better plan for the business. No, it's okay. He does not want a glass of wine. No, it's okay. He doesn't want a glass of wine. He doesn't want a glass of wine. So what happens next? It's okay. He doesn't want a glass of wine. So he does not want a glass of wine. No, he doesn't want a glass of wine. He doesn't want a glass of wine. She does not want a new phone. She is happy with the one she has. She doesn't want a new phone. She's happy with the one she has. So she is to she's, and she doesn't want a new phone. She doesn't want a new phone. She's happy with the one she has. She doesn't want a new phone. So that's the end of our video about want a plus noun to wanna. Join me in the next video to talk about wanna with past tense verbs and how it works and how to speak perfectly with wanna in the past tense. See you then.